Now prepaid expenses. Please look here. In our prepaid expenses, expire either with passage of time or through use. Okay. So here, please look. Suppose this is October 31st, and we have paid our insurance here 600 amount. So here this 50 taka, this $50 expires. Just we call this is the passage of time through or through use. We can use this or passage of time, thus this $50 will be expired. Okay. The adjusting entries increase debit to an expense account. Suppose in our previous example, please look here. That means this is insurance expenses debit and prepaid insurance credit. So according to this example, just increase debit expenses. That means insurance expense debit and decrease credit or asset account. That means here asset prepaid insurance asset. So asset will be decreased. So prepaid insurance will be credit here. So prepaid expenses here asset credit adjusting entries. That means this will be credit and expense will be debit here. Prepaid expenses debit adjusting entries. I think everybody is clear. Now we move the slide. So this is a trial balance. The same company, Pioneer Advertising. We are considering the Pioneer Advertising trial balance to complete the adjusting entries chapter. So here now we will discuss on supplies. Here supplies total $2,500. Now please look everybody, supplies $2,500. So here Pioneer Advertising purchase supplies costing 2,500. That means this is supplies purchase record 2,500. And just we have purchased it. That means Pioneer Advertising purchased is October 5. Okay. The Pioneer recorded the payment by debiting the asset. That means when the Pioneer Advertising purchased this material, this supplies, just they have shown it as a debit. That means debiting the asset. That means debit supplies. That means the supplies debit. Okay. And the account shown a balance 2,500 in October 31st in trial balance. In your trial balance you look, this is supplies 2,500 October 31st. So here an inventory count at the close of business on October 31st reveals that 1,000 of supplies are still on hand. That means supplies is still on hand 1,000. So 2,500 total purchased and still on hand 1,000. So we easily we can calculate 1,500. This is supplies used. So this is October 31st supplies used, recorded supplies expense. Okay. So this 1,500 supplies used means supplies expense. So our adjusting entries will be supplies expense debit or supplies credit. That means supplies first on debit 2,500. Now the asset will be decreased and this is decreasing point, supplies credit, and supplies expense debit. That means already all types of expenses are debit. So supplies expense debit here. Okay, I think everybody is clear. Now basic analysis. Expense supplies expense is increased, this figure, and asset supplies is decreased, this figure. So equation analysis, asset supplies will be decreased and owner's equity supplies expense will be decreased. So debit credit analysis, debit increase expense or credit decrease asset. So journal entry will be supplies expense debit or supplies credit to record supplies used. So here supplies 2,500 and this is adjusting 1,500. So our balance will be 1,000. Please look this point. And supplies expense, this is 1,500. This is our closing balance of supplies expense. Now the adjusted trial balance. In our adjusted trial balance we have this is supplies. Our supplies the asset, now rest amount 1000. You look here, this is 1000 supplies, now asset supplies balance 1000. So now this will be supplies 1000, and supplies expense, here supplies expense will be 1500. So this is the adjusted trial balance. Now I think everybody is clear this point. Now next slide we can move. Depreciation, that depreciation, building equipment, motor vehicles, etc. are recorded as assets rather than an expenses, so on that account. So depreciation is the process of allocating the cost of an assets to expense over its useful life. Okay, the depreciation doesn't attempt to report the actual change in the value of the asset. The allocations concepts, not a valuation concept. This is the allocation concept, the depreciation. Okay. So next point, this is the company Pioneer Advertising. Pioneer Advertising illustration here. For Pioneer Advertising, assume that depreciation on the equipment is 480 a year. So 480 year, this is the month of October. This is assume. Okay, this is not related to the actual trial balance items. This is assume. So October, this will not be included in adjusted trial balance. Okay, so this 440 is starting here, that means October, and next year September. This is 1 year. The 440 divided 1 year, that means 12 month. So 440 divided 12 month, so we are getting 40 per month. So here the expense will be debit, that means depreciation expense, and accumulated depreciation will be credit. Accumulated depreciation will be credit here. So accumulated depreciation is called a contra asset account. So later chapter I will discuss on accumulated depreciation details, inshallah. So here accumulated depreciation 40. So this amount, that's very easy to understand, I think. So here expense depreciation, expense is increased 40, and accumulated depreciation equipment is increased 40. So here equation analysis, asset accumulated depreciation equipment subtract owner's equity depreciation expense 40 subtract. So debit credit analysis, debit increase expenses and credit increase contra asset. So journal entry depreciation expense debit and accumulated depreciation equipment credit. Okay. So here equipment total our 5000 amount, accumulated depreciation adjusted 40, and this amount only this amount. Okay, and depreciation expense only balance 40 amount. So when we do our when we present it in our financial statements, please look here, accumulated depreciation is a contra asset account. Okay, the offsets related asset accounts on the balance sheet. Please look here, book value is the difference between the cost of any depreciation. The equipment, our total cost 5000, and accumulated depreciation 40. So now it will be our book value of the asset 4960. So when we prepare our balance sheet, that means when we prepare our balance sheet, that times we will show income statements. In our income statements, depreciation expense how much? 40. And in our balance sheet, this is the balance sheet items. In our balance sheet sides, balance sheet and asset sides, this is asset sides, we show equipment less accumulated depreciation. I think everybody is clear at this point. Now summary of accounting of prepaid expenses. Accounting for prepaid expenses, here example insurance, supplies, advertising, rent, depreciation, these items we will consider as our prepaid expenses. Reason for adjustment, prepaid expenses recorded in assets accounts have been used. Our accounts before adjustment, assets overstated and expense understated. And when we adjust the entry, that means expense will be debit, or assets or contra entry will be credit. That means here in adjustment, our expense must be debit, that means expense increases, and asset must be decreased. Okay, so I think everybody is clear here.